Tonnage calculation for a vessel involves determining the ship's volume and weight carrying capacity, which is essential for various regulatory, operational, and commercial purposes. The information shown in a tonnage calculation document typically includes information included in tonnage calculation. 1. Gross tonnage, a measure of the overall internal volume of the vessel. Calculated based on the enclosed spaces of the ship. It is used to determine safety regulations, port dues, and manning regulations. 2. Net tonnage, reflects the useful capacity of the vessel, excluding non-revenue earning spaces such as the engine room and crew quarters. It is used for determining harbor dues and canal transit fees. 3. Deadweight tonnage, the total weight a vessel can carry, including cargo, fuel, passengers, crew, provisions, and ballast water. It is crucial for cargo operations and commercial purposes. 4. Lightship or lightweight tonnage, the weight of the ship itself without any cargo, fuel, passengers, or crew. This is important for stability and structural integrity assessments. 5. Displacement tonnage, the total weight of the vessel when it is floating, equivalent to the weight of the water it displaces. This is used for assessing the vessel's stability and structural strength. 6. Length overall, the total length of the vessel from the tip of the bow to the end of the stern. This is often used in conjunction with tonnage for various regulations and docking arrangements. 7. Breadth, the width of the vessel at its widest point. It impacts the vessel's stability and handling characteristics. 8. Draft, the vertical distance between the waterline and the bottom of the hull. This affects the vessel's ability to access certain ports and waterways. 9. Tonnage certificates, documentation issued by classification societies or maritime authorities verifying the calculated tonnage values. These certificates are required for regulatory compliance in port entry. Purpose of the tonnage calculation document. 1. Regulatory compliance, ensures the vessel meets international and national maritime regulations, such as the International Convention on Tonnage Measurement of Ships, 1969. 2. Safety regulations, determines the vessel's safety equipment, crew requirements, and operational limits. Gross tonnage and net tonnage influence the application of various safety rules and standards. 3. Port and harbor dues. Port authorities use tonnage calculations to levy charges for the use of port facilities. Typically, fees are based on gross tonnage or net tonnage. 4. Canal transit fees, fees for transiting canals, such as the Suez Canal or Panama Canal, are calculated based on the vessel's tonnage, particularly net tonnage or a special tonnage formula. 5. Cargo operations. Deadweight tonnage informs shippers and operators of the maximum weight of cargo, fuel, provisions, and ballast the vessel can safely carry. 6. Insurance and commercial contracts. Tonnage figures are crucial for underwriting insurance policies and drafting commercial contracts. They affect premium calculations and contractual obligations. 7. Design and stability assessments. Tonnage calculations help naval architects and marine engineers design vessels that meet stability and performance criteria. 8. Manning requirements. The International Maritime Organization and other regulatory bodies use tonnage to determine the minimum crew size and qualifications required for safe vessel operation. 9. Environmental regulations. Tonnage impacts the applicability of environmental regulations, such as emissions controls under the International Maritime Organization's MARPOL Convention. 10. Operational planning. Shipowners and operators use tonnage information for strategic planning, such as determining the most cost-effective routes, optimal cargo loads, and suitable ports of call. Overall, The tonnage calculation document serves as a comprehensive reference for multiple stakeholders, ensuring that a vessel operates within legal, safety, and commercial parameters.